Kung hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-decide kung anong variant na expander ang kukunin mo,
Ito yung dalawang variant na expander, the Expander GLS and Expander Cross.
so guys, sa dalawang variant na expander na pinakita ko, parehas tayong naka-zero down payment, free 1 month amortization or pay after 75 days, and meron din tayong binibigay dito na 35,000 worth of exclusive freebies. So ipapakita ko na rin guys kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang variant na to.
So dito sa interior, sa color and styling, sa GLS meron tayong plain black interior, simple at clean ang design, while sa Cross, meron tayong burgundy two-tone, more stylish and stand out. Sa overall vibe, ang GLS dashboard, practical, modern and PB, while Cross feels more rugged and upscale. Dito sa engine, same ang Expander GLS at ang Expander Cross na merong 1.5 liter engine with 103 horsepower, 4-speed automatic per Expander Cross, and front wheel drive. Pagdating naman sa material ng seats, may kita nyo yung pinagkaiba ng Expander GLS at Expander Cross. So dito sa Expander GLS, meron tong fabric seats. Sa Expander Cross naman, naka-leather seat plus heat guard. So ito guys, yung isa sa pinakabagong features na Expander GLS at Expander Cross. So sa SDI natin, meron na tayong 10-inch with multi-around monitor. So both GLS and Cross, 10-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron din tong 360 camera and active view control. So overall, meron tong same engine, same multi-around monitor, same safety features. In short, performance and tech, the same. So kung gusto mo ng SUV look and gusto mo ng leather seat plus premium feel, choose Expander Cross. And if you want nearly the same features and best value for money, choose Expander GLS.
So kung nakapag-decide ka na kung anong variant na expander ang kukunin mo, message mo na ako sa aking contact number.